This message has been transmitted by the request of the American government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A major shockwave has been detected that has caused earthquakes from Wyoming all the way to Pennsylvania. Everyone in between those states are issued to evacuate as this earthquake is at about a 9.4 on the Richter scale. If you are in Wyoming, you need to leave immediately, as this earthquake isn't even comparable to all of the other earthquakes that had happened. The ranking of how long the earthquake is was actually a scale of where the states will feel the hardest earthquakes. As there have been earthquakes that have also been reported in these states: Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, New York, Maine, Virginia, and North Carolina. If you are in these states, you must evacuate to Mexico or Canada, as this has caused catastrophic damage to all the towns in between and in Wyoming and Pennsylvania.